have a 2020 Volvo S60 for sale. Has 96,000 miles on it. Black exterior, tan interior. It is all-wheel drive. Slight stains on the seatbelt. Has heated seats for the rear. Has a sunroof. Memory seats. Capable for Apple Play and Android Play. Navigation. Blind spot, lane keeping, collision avoidance, cross traffic alert, heated steering wheel, heated seats, rear view camera, mileage 94,313. Front interior is in good shape. Please call us at Phillips Motor Company to schedule the test drive today.